Hi neighbors, welcome back to another video of Cooking with Neighbors. My name is Jerry Ellen and welcome to my channel. It is always a pleasure to see you. I look forward to the days I get to be on YouTube. I just love this community so much and I appreciate every single one of you that are here today. Taking time out of your day, thank you. I am making a couple of salads today. These are tasty salads, great for sides, great for lunches. So anyway, it's the summer, it's hot. Let's make some salads. The first one is a marinated mushroom salad. The second one, after the marinated mushroom salad, I'm going to make a salad that was viral on TikTok. Well, I heard about it. I don't have TikTok. I have a pot of boiling water here. I'm going to add, excuse the reach, I'm going to add a little bit of salt to this boiling water. And add a lemon and a little bit more lemon juice. This is going to clean the mushrooms, plus the lemon helps keep them as white as they can be. Very simple salad. These mushrooms were on sale for 94 cents a package, so they have to be used up anyway. Just white. Try to get the whitest that you can find in the store. See, you're going to get a lot of dirt off of these by doing this. And don't worry, they're not going to get ruined by putting them in boiling water. I have around 420 to 440 grams of mushrooms, so about a pound. I'm going to let them go for 10 minutes. Let's set a timer. It is mega hot out. I actually have the air conditioner off though because there is a slight breeze and I have the windows open in the house, so you might hear the blinds behind you kind of clapping over there. Where Graham is working today is even hotter than here. Unreal. It's hot, it's a humid summer, but it's going by way too fast. Way too fast. I'm going to slice up, because I'm going to slice up some red onion. Some red bell pepper, because I like the look of it. Gives a bit of color to the mushroom marinated salad. How have you all been? I hope, as I always say, that you're doing fantastic. And that's not a lie, I do hope that. All these vegetables I have over in this thing here are clean. Have another video I'm going to do. I want to show that crock pot that Casey found and bought for me at a consignment shop, because it reminded him of the crock pot we had when he was growing up, except for it was blue. I'll just give you a gander at it. I'm doing a crock pot series on Sundays for the next few weeks. Yeah, I'm just going to show it to you. See that? I used to have a blue one like it, but this cracked on me. So yeah. Casey found this green one. Same design and everything. Really cute. And it's not too big. I'm turning it down to a light boil, a medium high. These mushrooms, because they were on sale, they aren't as white as I would like, but you get the picture. You'll see. It's going to be delicious. I'm putting it in this pretty dish. You can put some red onion in with this too. That would be tasty. I have red onion over there. I'm not going to put it in this salad today because I'm making a few salads this week. I make a lot of salads. And Graham was saying to me, you should be sharing some of your salads that you make. Because we eat several salads throughout the week. Not just in summer. We'll have a few salads during the week. In the cooler months and colder months of the year as well. We love, well, when Graham and I were younger and newly married, he wasn't the biggest fan of salads. But over the years, I got him used to eating lots of different things, and he loves them now. So he's like, you got to share some of these salads. This one, we actually, for the first time I had this was years back. We were at a banquet hall that was throwing on a work party for Graham's work, one of the companies that he worked for or with or whatever. And they had this marinated mushroom, all kinds of Italian food out. And this marinated mushroom was out. And I was like, I have to learn how to make that because it's so good. And we love it. Okay, I'm going to use a net in a second. There are a few more minutes left on that, so I'll use this to scoop it out in a few minutes. Let's make the dressing. Half a cup of olive oil, your favorite olive oil or whatever you have. You could probably use a vegetable oil, but I always used olive oil. I usually end up going a little more than a half a cup, and I usually am pushing the mark for 1/3 of a cup of red wine vinegar. So between 1/4 of a cup of red wine vinegar and 1/3 of a cup. Then I put a half a tablespoon of minced garlic. You can use more or less. That I'm going to leave that up to you. What's your salad? I got to get the, oh, that's right. Also, I love basil, dried basil, a teaspoon. You can tell I love it. I got to refill that thing again. And dried oregano, same amount, a teaspoon. Usually, if you get like a really snow white mushroom, they look really nice in the salad. Just so you know. I'm going to put a bit of salt and a pinch of sugar in there. Salt and pepper to taste. This doesn't come out very easily. I'm going to put, that's a half teaspoon measure, so I'm going to put like a teaspoon of sugar. Graham likes a little bit of sugar in this dressing. And some pepper. You can taste it. You gotta. After I put this together, I put it in the. I cover it and I put it in the refrigerator because leave it in there for several hours. You're putting the dressing over the hot or warm mushrooms, and then they will absorb a lot of that flavor while they're in the fridge. Just putting them in the thing here. I give them a shake over the pot. Oopsie daisy. Although I clean my counters. I'm not going to throw it in there, I'll just eat it. I always clean the kitchen, even though you think even though it's like clean, I still do it. I might add a little bit of red onion. I usually get more mushrooms than this too. And then every once in a while, I'm going to let that cool a bit before I put it in the fridge to get to room temperature, close to room temperature, and I'll cover it. I'll toss it every once in a while and move it around. And that's not done yet. 1 second. I have some parsley, fresh parsley. If you only have dry parsley, it will change it won't be the exact flavor. Half a cup of fresh parsley, but if you're using dry, not near that much, just a few tablespoons. This is curly leaf pasta. I've been going through, pasta, listen to me, parsley. This is curly leaf parsley because I've been going through my parsley and outside there like crazy. And I gotta let it get more. So I'm just going to use this. This smells amazing. A little bit more. I like curly leaf parsley. I know some people, they don't, but I do. Graham and I do. If you look at this channel, you can tell that I like a lot of different foods anyway. So does hubby. Oopsie, sorry about that. I kicked you. I'm going to move this and we'll get started on the next salad. Well, the next one is so fast and easy. I decided to try to Google like a salad that maybe you guys and myself and Graham would like. And I came across this searching through Google. I don't know who the original person is that has this. And this might not be exact to what was on TikTok. I don't know because I don't have TikTok. And let's get another bowl, another pretty bowl. Do I have another pretty bowl? I got stuff in the fridge in one. Okay, this is a pie plate, but it's going to look pretty in it. All my oh, I gotta wash that one again. All my vegetables, this is only 3 ingredients, right? All my vegetables have been washed. I'm using mini cucumbers. Because I have a English cucumber in there that, you know, would be fine in this. But I'm going to make a different salad in a couple of days with my other cucumber that I have. You can dice these. You can slice them like thin, thick. I wouldn't have them too thick. But, you know, whatever way you're going to enjoy eating it, really. I'm going to bring you on over just a little differently. Here, sorry, there's somebody's alarm on their car is going out in the back there. I'm using quite a bit. Well, this is a salad that you can adjust to any size, really. But Graham and I are going to have it in our lunches for a few days. So I've got 4 of them. I'll save these 2 for something else. And just some mini bell peppers, sweet bell peppers. I have to sharpen my knife again. Oh, drag it away. Okay, so mine they're smallish, but they're not too puny. And I sliced up 6 of them. Okay. And I'll show you the dressing that goes on it. You can make it homemade, or you can buy it. I'm going to eat that one. I just got this at Walmart. At Wally World. At Wally World I got this. It's a miso ginger. Mine has the lime flavor in it. So like a miso and ginger based salad dressing. Tasty, tasty. I like this one. I'm going to let that marinate for a few hours as well. But just for a little taste test. Delicious. Salt and pepper. It'll get a little bit more juicier with the salt, drawing out the waters, the salt that's in the dressing and the salt that I put on it. Oopsie. It will draw out some of the water, so it will get a little bit, just keep in mind that there's no pepper coming out of that thing. It'll get a little bit more liquidy. Okay, neighbors, look at that. Don't they look delicious? They look delicious because they are delicious. Don't mind any little messes around. Jer-bear cleaning. There you have it, neighbors. Thank you so much again for being here. I truly do appreciate every single one of you. I hope you do know that. And if you're not already subscribed, I hope that you consider subscribing. Share the videos out if there's anything that you like to share, and give it a thumbs up. All those things help my channel. And you being here, most of all, helps my channel. So thank you so much. Take care, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.